Rio de Janeiro, lovingly called Rio, dazzles with a blend of natural splendor and urban charm. It's a city that celebrates its rich cultural heritage with gusto. From the lively street parties during Carnival to the soulful strains of bossa nova music in cozy bars, Rio's culture is as diverse as it is captivating. And then there are the people of Rio, known as Cariocas. Famous for their friendly and outgoing nature, Cariocas embody the spirit of their city. They are the heartbeat of Rio, adding to its vibrant and eclectic charm. Venturing into the heart of the city, you'll find the bustling streets of Santa Teresa, a neighborhood known for its colonial architecture, art studios, and bohemian vibe. The colorful Celeron Steps, a set of 215 steps covered in over 2,000 tiles from around the world, are a must-visit attraction here. But if you're looking for a bit of tranquility amidst the urban hustle, head to the Tijuca National Park. Covering an area larger than some countries, this urban rainforest is home to a plethora of wildlife and offers breathtaking views of the city and the sea. Now, let's talk about accommodation. From luxurious ocean view hotels to quaint guest houses and budget-friendly Airbnbs, Rio offers a plethora of options to suit every traveler's needs and budget. In summary, Rio de Janeiro is a city that mesmerizes with its stunning landscapes, pulsating culture, and the warmth of its people. A visit to the iconic Copacabana beach, experiencing the city's vibrant culture, exploring the charming neighborhood of Santa Teresa, and a peaceful excursion to the Tijuca National Park are some of the highlights of a trip to Rio. And with a wide range of accommodation options available, finding a place to stay is a breeze. So, pack your bags and get ready to be swept off your feet by the captivating charm of Rio de Janeiro.